Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Today I'm gonna do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price. And guys, today it was big day because we saw the FOMC meeting outcome, which was obviously the 25 basis point. Most odds was exactly on 25 basis point, so it happened. And guys, we saw an insane dump on the market, which right now the lowest point touched the $26,600 from the highest point, which were after the FOMC meeting at $28,940. And right now, guys, we are standing at $27,300 area. And you're gonna ask me, Chris, what's happening? I'm gonna see actually a reversal back to $22,500, or from time to time gonna see how we're gonna react. And there are lots of probabilities to get again up to $28,000. Guys, on this video I'm gonna tell you what I'm thinking about as the next move for the Bitcoin price, and I'm gonna explain you the two scenarios that I'm expecting about this dump that happened. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. Before we continue, guys, I would like you to go on my Twitter and follow me there, because as you can clearly see, I'm updating you with whatever is happening on the crypto space. As you can clearly see, before 3 hours I told you that there is a huge potential that all the dip to be bought in the next coming hours. And I told you also, please be careful with the volatility. And I'm updating you guys with whatever is happening within a day. That's why it's a must to have a follow on my Twitter. And before we continue, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much, guys, to continue this journey. And with your very simple process of daily like, daily comments, I share with your friends, I share your social media, you are actually helping me so much, and I appreciate you for this help, support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone. And without losing more time, let's dive straight into our analysis, because we have lots of interesting things to cover out. Initially, guys, we had two options on the FOMC meeting. The first option was actually to see a stop on this increasement of the rates, and the second was the 25 basis point, which actually it happened. And for me, I told you that the two scenarios are bullish, okay? And actually we saw the 25 basis point, which for me it's bullish only for the Bitcoin, not for the global economy. For the global economy it is bearish. That's why we saw also big decreasement on the SP 500. And also there is huge potential in the next coming days to see a Dixie into a big upturn movement. So that's gonna mean that the SP 500 gonna drop furthermore to the downside. And the difference here is that if the pump that happened back then, it was by real investors, and this kind of situation is gonna continue, guys, I believe that we won't get that low. Maximum dump I can see, if this pump was real at the end of the day, which it was real, guys. We saw 1 million addresses which ended the last couple of days on the Bitcoin in the last month. And also, guys, we saw the biggest bot ever in the history in just 1 week. It was, historical speaking, this insane pump that happened. We didn't ever saw that kind of volume that they bought Bitcoin in just a specific period. So for me, it's very bullish this sign. Okay, that's why I actually invalid my direction, if I can say that. And I'm not right now either bullish or either bearish. I'm sound more bullish, but guys, I'm not bullish. Okay, as I told you, I will need to see at least Bitcoin surpassing the $30,000 area and stay above it, so I can be with big confidence to tell you that right now I'm bullish. Right now I'm neutral. I'm waiting for confirmations. The confirmations are two. The first confirmation, as I told you, it's all the obvious confirmation that we will need to surpass the $30,000 and stay above it. Okay, and this scenario is gonna play out like a pump to $32,000 or $34,000, and then we're gonna retrace to $30,000, and then we're gonna jump straight to 38, 40, and prices like that. This is gonna be the bullish scenario, which is gonna lead me to tell you with big confidence that this is the end of the bear market. And the right now will tell you the other scenario. The other scenario, guys, is to get back to $25,200, which, as you know, is one of the most strongest resistance that Bitcoin had experienced on this bear market, and actually to retest it and to break it. Okay, because if we're gonna come, guys, from that huge pump to $25,200 and break it to the downside, it's obviously that we're gonna see again prices at $20,000 or either below that. But also there is the potential scenario that to see a big dump to this $25,200 and then bounce and break the $30,000 area and stay above it. Okay, so as you can understand, the most scenarios that I described you right now are bullish. The only bearish scenario is to come to $25,000 and break it. If I'm gonna have that confirmation, I'm gonna tell you that I became again bearish. But as we're gonna stay over $25,200, the situation is neutral and we are waiting for confirmations. Okay, this is the truth. And as you can clearly see, the 28,000 is the strongest daily resistance. The $29,340 is a weekly resistance, and the $30,000 is the support of the previous bull run. And guys, the support, of course, is the $25,200 for the bigger time frame. And I'm gonna dive really fast to show you some indicators, because guys, we have the EMA ribbon, which right now we are retesting as a support. So we're gonna see if we're gonna see here a bounce to the upside from that position or not. And guys, also on the weekly time frame, you can clearly see that we are still remain over this 200 weekly moving average on the weekly time frame. And this is an indication of a bullish scenario, which you can clearly see that 200 moving average, weekly moving average, is also above the $25,200. So if we're gonna come to this area and break it, we're gonna get again under this 200 weekly moving average. But to be honest with you guys, I have as I'm looking the charts and all these things that happen with fundamentals, I think right now the situation is more bullish than bearish. But as I told you, I remain neutral. I'm waiting for confirmations to actually have the confidence to say it. Okay, this is the video. I hope you enjoyed. Also, I hope you didn't trade on that specific day, because the volatility was insane and I told you to avoid the trade on these specific days. Because also, as you saw on my Twitter, there is huge probability, guys, to wake up tomorrow and to see the price of Bitcoin over $28,000 or even breaking the $29,000, because this could be, if this bullish situation and the bull run has already started, we're supposed to buy the dip and pump even higher. Okay, this is the video. I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed, and until then, your boy Chris is out. Bye.